Prepare to die. Prepare to die. Welcome to a whole new world. Your planet is now under Midranger's control. Humanity will be exterminated.
Okay, so officially this is not my first time क्योंकि इससे पहले भी मैंने ऑटोमेटिक कार चला चुका हूँ बट दिस टाइम इट इज गोइंग टू बी कम्प्लीटली डिफरेंट एंड न्यू एज इट इज क्रेटा क्योंकि इससे पहले मैंने Hyundai का वर्ना चलाया हुआ था ऑटोमेटिक. इट वाज अ वेरी गुड एक्सपीरियंस एंड दिस इज ओके. आई एम ड्राइविंग. यस, गाड़ी मूव हो रही है. व्हेनेवर यू ड्राइव अ न्यू कार इट इज ऑलवेज सो फैसिनेटिंग बिकॉज इट्स लाइक अ किड इन अ कैंडी स्टोर. यू गेट टू एक्सपीरियंस एवरीथिंग एंड फिलहाल तो मैं विदाउट एनी एक्सेलरेशन चला रहा हूँ. आई एम जस्ट गेटिंग अ होल्ड ऑफ इट. बट देयर इज वन थिंग व्हिच आई डोंट लाइक टोटली व्हिच इज जब भी कोई भी ऑटोमेटिक कार्स होती है उनका ब्रेकिंग बहुत ज्यादा हार्ड होता है एंड नॉर्मल कार से तो बहुत ही ज्यादा हार्ड होता है एंड आई प्रेफर द वंस जिसका ब्रेकिंग थोड़ा सा स्लोली लगता है. बट आई डोंट नो, मे बी देयर इज अ रीजन व्हाई ऑटोमेटिक कार्स में ब्रेकिंग बहुत हार्ड होती है. तो यस, आई हैव स्टार्टेड विद द ड्राइव. दिस इज माय फ्रेंड राहुल्स कार, Hyundai Creta. दिस इज अ टॉप मॉडल एंड ड्राइविंग इट इज सच अ luxurious feeling to be honest because the power steering is very smooth. Also the drive is very 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 comfortable. मतलब काफ़ी different है as compared to driving a sedan on a regular basis and then coming to a sedan plus SUV के बीच वाला model. That's what this car is, basically a hybrid car. There's one thing जो एक manual गाड़ी जो बंदा या जो भी आदमी या फिर औरत या फिर जो भी ह्यूमन टू बी मोर प्रिसाइज एक मैनुअल कार चलाता है तो उसकी सबसे बड़ी आदत ये होती है टू कीप द हैंड ऑन द गियर एंड यू आर ऑलवेज रेडी टू शिफ्ट द चेंज. बट ऑटोमेटिक कार में ये नहीं होता है. ये ना हम वो फास्ट एंड फ्यूरियस मूवीज देखते थे ना तो तब से ये आदत पड़ गई कि एक हाथ हमेशा गियर पे होता है एंड दूसरा ऑन द स्टीयरिंग. बट इन ऑटोमेटिक कार उसका कोई पॉइंट ही नहीं बनता. सो इट्स लाइक ड्राइविंग अ स्पोर्ट्स कार, SUV which is a sports car. Honestly this is a very good experience. मतलब as a kid, every kid, if not every but almost every kid is always fascinated about driving cars and stuff like that and it's a very good feeling. You have to always be cautious when you are driving a new car. At least you would take like 10-15 minutes to grasp with the car. इससे पहले if you are not and this is also when you are a person who regularly drives a car. उसके बाद भी when you start driving a new car you have to give yourself 10-15 minutes to get adapted to the new settings and हर गाड़ी का power range is different, acceleration is different and talking about this car it is completely different as it's an automatic car. So don't be fools when you get a new car and then you never have to be चौड़ा saying अरे मैं तो रोज़ गाड़ी चलाता हूँ, I can do whatever I want. मेरे को तो पता है जजमेंट आती है, सब आता है. And also you have to be more careful if it is a friend's car. So you have to be more careful with that part. And here I am taking a 90-degree turn which was pretty much very easy. And honestly ये मेरे sedan में तो possible नहीं होता. Maybe these are what the perks of having a hybrid SUV. It is a really very comfortable car. And then being a top model, everything is so proper and particular. Look at this guy. Left lane से right lane पे टर्न मार रहा है. अब थोड़ा भगाते गाड़ी. So there's going to be one thing which I'm going to be saying a lot more than normally जो मैं ऐसा बोलूँगा and that's going to be the car is crazy smooth. Really very 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 crazy smooth and from a driver's perspective you get a proper view of the road behind you and also it's a very proper car, not too low, not too high. For any new learner also, it's going to be very comfortable to drive such a car. And initially when I was talking about the brakes being so sensitive in the automatic cars, I actually get a hold of it right now, and काफ़ी easy है. In fact, you have to just go a little slow on it. And like I said, every car is a different car. Every car has a different acceleration. Every car has a different braking point. In my car, it's a sedan, and उस पे braking point काफ़ी ज़्यादा late लगता है. And I like it that way, to be honest. So at least I'm prepared कि मुझे अगर कहीं पे रुकना है तो उसके पहले कितनी जल्दी मुझे braking apply करनी पड़ेगी. And that's when this theory of giving yourself 10-15 minutes with a new car and then you get a hold of it. Let's look at the acceleration. The car is pretty silent. The horn is too loud. Not too loud, but it's good. Even at a very high RPM, the car is not really making any noise. And it's not even noise, to be honest. It's the engine ka awaaz, which is so nice, to be honest. I always preferred the car to be loud, but when we talk about luxury segment, anyway, whenever you buy a top model, it's usually considered to be a luxury segment car. So they give you that treatment basically with the amount of price that is there for the top variant. Okay, so again going for a 180 turn. The last turn I took, it was not a 360, it was not even a 90, it was 180. So again going for it. It's a very, very, very smooth car. No matter how many times I say it, but it's very good. And it's mostly because of the way it handles the steering and the drive. It is so really good. Thanks to Rahul for giving me this moment of driving this car. And ये होना ही था. And I am back in the crib. This video was a collaborative efforts with my friend Rahul. Big thanks to him for letting me have this experience of driving Hyundai Creta. And just like what I mentioned earlier, the car is pretty smooth and handles the Indian roads in a much more efficient way. It has got a good acceleration, but the gear shift is not really under our control. It makes the change upon how hard you push the car. Talking about the drive, the steering is very controlled and the height of the car is placed at the right spot and fills in the category of compact SUV. But before anything, let me just talk myself over here. I'm not really a car geek, but I can say as much as I love football, as much as I love cycling, the very same way I love driving. And in the end, this channel is exactly about doing what you love. And this video was all about my love for driving cars. And this was my experience of driving Hyundai Creta.